This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hi, girl. You look gorgeous. Thanks, girl. You too. Huh?
Hey, guys. I'm so glad that it's a new day at our new school.
Our school is the best. Oh, I can't wait to start learning new things. Ooh, our bus. Awesome. All aboard. The classes are about to start. Hurry up.
Did you do your homework?
Of course.
1 + 1 = 2, and 2 + 2 = 4.
Wow. Is the lesson over already?
It means that I get to read. And they lived happily ever after. Wow, great story. Oops, I'm hungry.
Nah.
Lunch break, lunch break!
Yay!
I wonder what we are having today. I'd like some veggies. There are always veggies, and fruit and meat too.
Who wants some soda? My treat.
It was the best lunch ever. Hey, I know how to shake things up. Let's do some dancing! Woohoo!
Yay!
Gee, I love our school.
Yeah, their school life has become really interesting and fun. Although, I remember everything was completely different. Until that one time.
Class? Class? Oh, please, are you listening to me at all?
Gee, I'm so bored. What did you say? Teach?
Who knows the answer to this problem?
Whatever, let's say 3?
How can anyone not know that? The answer is 2.
Correct. Well done, Samuel.
Meh, learning is for losers, right? I'm out of here.
Hello? The lesson is not over yet.
Come on, look around. Who would want to study here?
You're right, but how can I fix it?
Glad you asked. I've been thinking about this for a long time. Just a sec. This is how the school of my dreams looks.
Wow, Sammy, it's amazing.
One condition, I'll be the principal.
Deal, let's get started.
Yay!
So, according to the blueprint, we should better begin with making new walls.
Don't sweat about it, Sue. I've already prepared a few construction materials.
Wow, they're amazing! As I see, you've long been wanting to become a school principal, huh?
You know me. Make way. The rainbow stairs. Check.
Let's put it right here.
Ah, perfect. Building a new school is really energy-consuming. Isn't it time for a lunch break? Since I'm the mastermind of this whole thing, I can't stay hungry.
And I managed to make this. I thought this was supposed to be a blackboard.
But it looks like it's missing something.
Just what I need. Thanks. Now it's pretty easy to put it all together. I want to give it a test run. Wonderful. And here's the perfect place for it.
But our dolls are not very tall. We need something to make it easier for them to reach the blackboard.
Don't worry. I already thought everything through. Okay, what should we do next?
Susan, are you okay? Are you sick? Aha! Right, you better put on a mask.
I appreciate your concern, Sammy, but I'm fine. I just got glitter in my nose. And this mask will make excellent blinds for the windows. Check this out.
Hey, I don't see anything. We have to hurry up. We haven't even started to work on the desks for the students.
Yes, it is very important. Let's make them beautiful and stylish. These legs will prevent our desks from rocking. Here comes the second one. Very well. Let's put it in its place.
We have a desk, so we need a chair. Here, have a look. I made it in no time.
Cool. Can you hold it, please? I will use it as a reference.
Don't forget about the legs, Susie.
Thanks. Oh, what would I do without you? These two look great together. But only one desk won't be enough for the whole school. That's why we've made a few more.
These books are so heavy. No wonder our students stopped reading.
That is why we will make a spacious backpack. This way, our dolls will carry around everything they need to study well. And, of course, it's going to look cute. Just check out this decor I came up with. We shouldn't forget about shoulder straps as well. Here we go. Great. Well, the weight of the books doesn't seem to be a problem anymore. Aw, why don't I have such a backpack?
And Sam takes the field again. This is his first game of the season. Sue, however, is a rookie. Let's see how she will perform in this game.
Uh-huh. I know exactly what to do with this. Let's give our clay ball a nice rollout. Here we go.
Oh no, what is she doing? This is a dark day for all who like to kick the ball.
Oh, Sammy, stop being so overdramatic. You know our students need a new school bus. Just look how bright it will be.
It is beautiful, Sue, but at what cost?
Come on, don't be sad, Sammy. We'll play ball later. I promise.
You're right. There's no time to be sad. Construction works don't wait. Yay!
That's the spirit. And one more piece of clay goes over here. There are so many different parts. It is so easy to get confused, but not for an experienced crafter. There we go.
I think I'm blind. I can't see. Help!
Sammy, stop fooling around.
Come on, Sue. It was funny, wasn't it?
Okay, you're right. There should always be a moment for a good laugh.
I can make it. I know I can make it. Stay focused, Sam. Ow! The wheels are done.
And they are perfect. Thank you, Sammy. What do you say, friends? Do you like our bus?
Susie, I found a perfect spot for the library. Could you give me a hand?
Sure. Oh, you're right. This spot is perfect. And now, of course, we need books. I love reading about space and different fairy tale worlds. 3, 2, 1, and the book cover's done. This book is about something really cute. It's called The Adventures of a Pink Teddy Bear. I'd love to read it. And you, Sammy?
Yeah, the title sounds interesting, but there should be a comfy space to enjoy the books.
You mean like this?
Yes. The bookcase looks a bit empty, though. Now we're talking.
I want to add a few more details to make this library a really relaxing place.
Yo, Teach! Let's make some noise! During breaks, of course.
I don't mind it at all.
It looks amazing. I'm kinda thirsty. Do we have a water dispenser or something?
Not yet, but you actually just gave me an awesome idea. We simply have to make a vending machine for the school cafeteria. What do you think? This way our dolls will be able to choose whatever they want.
I'm like a flash! Check this out, Sue! While you were talking, I ran out to the store and bought everything.
Cool! This is just what we need. Oh, weren't you thirsty?
That's right. Like a true crafter, I forgot about my own needs while I'm busy creating.
True. In the meantime, our vending machine is done. I like it.
Me too. Hey, wait a minute. How do I get a Coke from there?
Easy peasy. And this is where the cafeteria will be. Yum! Desserts from my favorite bakery. And here's something not so sweet.
Sue, we have to speed up. Our students will arrive soon. Duh!
Don't panic, Sammy. We're almost done.
We forgot about this. Whoa! Nearly dropped it. There should be a place for the girls to store their belongings.
Oh, you're so thoughtful. And here's a surprise from me. Our new school uniform will include fancy hats. I'm sure the girls will love this idea. Now let's cut out the bottom for our future hat. And here comes its top. Would you just look how beautiful it turns out? And it fits in here perfectly.
Hey, Susie, what do you say? Doesn't it look good on me? Hey!
Sorry, Sammy, but let's leave them for our students, okay? They also can keep their backpacks over here. Ow, so cute! And these are so their legs don't get tired from a long school day. I'll put a couple more pairs of sleepers over here. Great! And this is the garage for the school bus. Awesome!
What? Where is our school? Wait, is that a cafeteria?
Yes, and it smells amazing here.
We even have our own bus. Cool.
From now on, y'all will study in comfort thanks to Sammy.
Oh, come on. It's not such a big deal. Hey, stop that. Enough already.
We did great, didn't we?
Yeah, high five. We're amazing.
Friends, thanks for being with us today. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe.
And stay as cool and awesome as you are now. Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Of course, Lilac. We'd love to hear your latest poem. Thank you, Rose. It's called Purple. Purple, oh purple, purple, purple. From lightest lilac to shades much deeper. You're the color that's a keeper.
That's awesome!
I'm not finished.
Oh, whoops, sorry.
Oh, purple, 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 purple. You're always classy, never showy. Purple plants we all should growy. That last part needs a little work.
Big news, Lilybuds! Mama Duck is gonna paint the royal couple. Mama Duck needs your help to get things ready. She asked you to come down there straight away.
We're on it! Princess Olivia and Prince Norbert at the pond? It's just perfect. Now I'll have a royal audience for my poem. Lilybuds, wait for me! So, you'll need plenty of paint, a beautiful setting. Oh, and I nearly forgot. Congratulations on getting the job, Mama Duck.
Thank you, Rose. I don't know who's more excited, me or my little darlings.
I'm going to look after Mama's brushes for her while she works.
No, I am. I'll carry her easel. I'm strongest.
Give me that.
You could probably use some babysitters to watch your ducklings while you work.
Babysitters? I don't think that will be necessary. On second thought, Rose, thank you. Babysitters would be a great idea. Purple, purple. Hello, Daff. Cap.
Hey, Lilac. Rose has given us our jobs to help with the royal portrait.
Oh my goodness, I didn't notice the time. I've been learning my poem.
Oh, don't worry. We volunteered you for the best job. You're with me and Cat, looking after Mama Duck's ducklings. Isn't that fun?
They're really lively. We'd better take them way across the park so Mama Duck can paint in peace.
But I don't want to be way across the park. I want to be near the royal couple and recite my poem. Could you watch them without me?
Oh, we need you, Lilac. Those ducklings are a 3 Lilybud job.
All right, I'll do it for the royal couple. Bench is good, arch not too wobbly, all set for the royal couple. That's great, Thistle. What do you think of this? Lovely. Mama Duck, your easel is not safe.
Thank you, Thistle. And thank you, Thorn, for all the plans for my paint colors, but I could use a few of your berries.
Royal portrait, Thorn.
A good berry pie is more important than royal paint, but there you go.
Dawn, I see you're having a berry giveaway.
I most definitely am not. You're not even hungry. You just like to take what isn't yours. Goodbye, Ellery.
The ducklings are so adorable, aren't they? Lilac, maybe you can recite your poem to the royal couple when we take the ducklings back.
You think so, Daff?
Cap, can you teach me to play the clarinet?
Sure thing, Ace.
Teach me. Ducklings, do you want to do something really fun?
Yeah, we do. I love fun.
Great! End of the music lesson, Ace. Come on, hurry up. Single file. I have written a poem called Purple, and I'm going to teach it to you. Then we'll perform it together for the royals. Doesn't that sound like fun?
I don't know what a poem is, but I like purple.
Let's hear the poem.
Your Majesties, it's okay to blink. In fact, it's okay to look away once in a while. We're going to be here for some time.
Forgive us, please. It's our first portrait. And actually, you may think this is silly, but we find it hard to look at anything but each other.
Love is very precious. Carry on. I'm just the humble artist.
Rose, this archway is beautiful. Will it be in the painting, Mama Duck?
Oh, the archway and everything within it will indeed be in the painting, Your Majesty. If I see it, I paint it.
If she sees it, she paints it. I wonder how they'd feel about a handsome chipmunk in their painting.
Ellery, what are you doing? If you stand over there, you'll be in the portrait.
What's wrong with that? Am I not dressed up enough?
You know this is a royal portrait.
One berry and I'll leave.
Nope, I already gave up a few berries for paint. The rest of these are for a P.I.E. pie.
I'll go quietly, but I'll be back.
The purple look is never dated. Its classiness is underrated. When choosing colors is required, shades of purple are most admired. What do you think? Tell me.
I suppose it is nice to know a poem.
I agree. Okay, ducklings, from the top, repeat after me. Oh, purple, 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 purple.
Oh, purple, 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 purple.
We'll work on it. Now, just you, Ace, repeat after me. The purple look is never dated.
The purple look is... I'm not sure. I'm hungry.
Here's a sunflower seed. Catch. Me now. Me.
Come on, guys. Let's try and learn Lilac's poem.
Thank you, Cap. Come on, there's not much more to learn. See?
If I see it, I paint it.
Ellery!
Berry.
All right.
No berries for Ellery. You'll have to think of something else.
Again, oh, purple, purple.
Lilac, these ducklings need a break.
We all do. Oh, who wants a game of Catch the Acorn?
Yay! Catch the acorn!
Okay, 2 of you stay with me, 2 go over to Daffodil. Ready, team?
But we haven't learned the poem.
I'll get the acorn and pass to you.
Ouch! You need to go home and put on some of Thistle's healing leaf balm. I'll take care of the ducklings.
All by yourself? I mean, can you handle that, Lilac?
We could all go back.
Then I could recite the poem. Oh, but it would interrupt Mama Duck's work if her ducklings came back. I'll stay. It'll be fine. Go on.
Hurry up. Single file. Food alert.
Is that how I've been?
Purple, purple, purple is the bestest color. Why even have any other?
Hold on. That's not how I walk. I walk like this. Now let's see your best bunny walk.
Oh, no.
No time for oh no, Rose. I'm almost finished.
But... Thank you, Thorn.
Over here, Ellery. I've got your berry.
Keep your berry, Rose. I've come to realize a chipmunk of my standing belongs in a royal portrait.
Ellery, I completely agree. And you shouldn't have to share someone else's portrait. Come over here.
Be right there. Oh, and no need to let that berry go to waste. 2 portraits. Very good.
The royal portrait is finished.
Just lovely, thank you.
Bravo!
Your Majesties, if it pleases you, the ducklings would like to recite a poem.
We'd love to hear a poem.
Oh, no. Poor ducklings.
Ready? Just like we practiced.
Purple is nice.
So is blue.
Red is good. And yellow, too.
Wonderful.
Adorable.
Did you have a good day with the royals? No, I'm exhausted. Next time there's a royal portrait to be painted, you're in charge.